This game is called Turkey Gone. It's a whole class participation game. The idea is that the turkeys have escaped from the pilgrims who are planning to have Thanksgiving dinner. We need to help them catch the turkeys and get them back to save Thanksgiving. I'm going to click the continue button in the lower bottom here, and it gives you an instruction board. Basically what's going to happen here is these screens are going to appear that have all these boxes. There's 1 to 36 on them. You will divide your class into teams, or you can use individuals for this game. And basically the instructor would ask a student or a team a question. If they got it right, that student or team is allowed to pick one of the boxes on the screen. Behind one of the boxes is a turkey. Behind all the others is nothing. So if they find the turkey, they win. If they do not, then the game continues until either you run out of questions or someone finds the turkey. If you still have questions to ask, you can just start the board over again and find a new board. I'm going to give you an example of how this is done, and we'll click the play button here. We'll now select a board. The only trick here is that if you've used this game recently, you'll want to select a different board so students don't remember where the turkey is hiding. So we're going to come here, and I'll just start with board 2. And on board 2, you can see here our numbers. I recommend that you ask the teams or students to write down 3 numbers where they think the turkey is hiding. That way, once you've asked the question, there is no delay with them trying to figure out which number they're going to choose, but they have a set of numbers already ready to go. So for example, I'll ask my first person or first team a question, and we'll pretend that they got it right. And now they choose box number 10. So I'll click 10. And unfortunately there's nothing there for them. So we continue to play, and the next team chooses 22. We continue this process asking each team a question until the turkey's found or until I run out of questions. If they find the turkey and you still have questions left, you simply come down to the lower right and click pick another board. We'll go back to these board selections, and this time I'll pick let's say number 3. And then we'll simply start over again, choosing boxes based on what they say until again we run out of questions or someone finds the turkey. And that's basically how the game is played. To end it, you can go back, pick another board, and click the end game button, or you can simply hit the escape key on the keyboard. To begin the game using Office 2007, go to the Slideshow tab and click one time. After clicking on the Slideshow tab, click the From Beginning button on the far left. This will begin the game. To start the game in any version of PowerPoint before Office 2007, go to the Slideshow menu and choose View Show. This game is designed for whole class participation. Participants are divided into teams or may work as individuals. For best results, use an LCD projector or TV to display the game to participants. If you receive a security alert when beginning this game and you're using Office 2007, simply click the Enable This Content button and then click OK. Please note, if you are using a version of Microsoft Office prior to Office 2003, some of the features in these games may not function properly. It is advised that you do your editing of the PowerPoint slides or games in your older version, and then use Microsoft's free PowerPoint viewer for actual gameplay. To download the free viewer, just do a web search for PowerPoint Player 2007.